Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a very quick unboxing for you guys for the 7Artsans lens. This is a 60mm and it's a prime lens and it's their second generation. It's got f2.8 focal. Alright, without further ado, let's get this started. Now unfortunately, because this is Australia, everything gets opened up by the customs, and this is how it came. I haven't actually had the opportunity to open this up. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm guessing that there will be seals around this and whatnot, but there was nothing. So that's the box here. This is it. That's the focus ring over here. Alright guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this little show for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.